Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech F710. In this video we'll check if this controller supports PS5. Logitech F710 can be connected with other devices only via 2.4G dongle. It does not support Bluetooth or wired connection. Therefore, it cannot be connected with PS5 because it also doesn't have PS5 connection protocol. It can be connected only with PC, Android TV and Chrome OS. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.